Your channel isn't growing, and it's not because of bad luck. It's because you're making silent mistakes, the kind that kill views before the video even begins. Wanna fix it? Then watch till the end, because these 5 mistakes are what's holding your channel back. Before starting, please subscribe our channel. So let's start. Mistake 1: inconsistent posting. If you're uploading randomly once this week, then disappearing for 2, YouTube's algorithm won't take you seriously. T rewards creators who show up consistently. Pick a schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a month, and stick to it like clockwork. The algorithm needs to trust you to recommend you. Mistake 2: poor thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your first impression. If it's cluttered, full of text, or just boring, people will scroll right past. A great thumbnail is clean, emotional, and instantly clickable. You don't need to be a designer, just think like a viewer. Would you click it? Mistake 3: ignoring audience retention. If most viewers leave in the first 15 seconds, your video is dead in the water. YouTube tracks how long people stay, and if they leave early, the algorithm stops pushing it, so hook them immediately. Start strong, cut the fluff, and give value early. Mistake 4: not using analytics. Guessing what works? That's a recipe for failure. Your YouTube studio is pure gold. Use it. Check your watch time. Click through, rate traffic sources. They'll tell you exactly what's working and what's not. The answers are in the data. Mistake 5: no call to action. Even if your content is great, viewers need direction. Tell them subscribe for more. Drop a comment like "if this helped." It may feel obvious, but it works. No call to action is equal to no engagement is equal to no growth. Avoid these 5 traps and you'll build faster, smarter, and stronger. YouTube isn't luck, it's strategy. Start today.